Assalamualaikum, hi. Embark on an exciting journey with Tulat Jersey, where my plan for making awesome jerseys unfolds like a cool story. Imagine teaming up with a great fabric pulse, stylish stores, and influencers who know their stuff. It's like a dream team making Tulat Jersey shine in the world of cool clothes, creating more than just outfits but a whole fun experience. Dive into the specifics of Tulat coolness, awesome designs created by myself, these jerseys making pulse with an epic supplier, Luna Studio, ensuring everything super cool and spreading the word on social media and events like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. This dream team, including fabric suppliers, stores, and influencers, turn jersey fashion into a lively show of colors. Dream team, including fabric suppliers, stores, influencers, turn jersey fashion into a lively show of colors, where every jersey tells a unique and fun story. See the important stuff that helps Tulat be cool, bringing jersey dreams to life. Reliable partners, making sure everything top notch, and super easy website, making Tulat just a click away. It's like a meeting point where tech and jersey style high five each other. Discover why Tulat jersey are so cool. Each one has a special design that stands out. Lycra 280 GSM super comfy materials that feel great, and limited edition pieces that are like having something special that not everyone has. Making Tulat not just about jersey, but about telling a cool story with what you wear. Hang out with Tulat in a friendly way. Chat with us on social media. Say hi to our support team who always has a smile, and tell us what you think, because your opinion helps us make Tulat jersey even cooler. Explore where you can find Tulat jerseys. Our website is like an online shop where every click brings you to something cool. Social media is where you can show off your jersey style and teaming up with cool stores. Means Tulat jersey are everywhere you want to be. Join Tulat Jerseys gang, where people who love streetwear and care about looking good come together, making Tulat not just a brand, but a cool club where every jersey is a chance to be yourself. They can be a celebrity, a company, a teacher, or a student. Tulat can make its dream come true by creating demanding design. In the future, whatever you want, whatever you like, Tulat is the one. Looking at Tulat money stuff, we spend money on making great jersey stuff, telling people about it, and ensuring it gets to you, so every jersey you get isn't just about style, but also about keeping things awesome for everyone. For the structure, business capital is about 70 ringgit for one jersey. The packaging is about 2, and the shipping is approximately 7 ringgit. Someday, Tulat might be the most popular jersey or streetwear in the world. It might be. Where's Tulat jersey monies come from? So, the first point, Tulat must be authorized and have a license for the branding. Second, it's not just selling jerseys, it's also making cool limited edition that everyone wants, and teaming up with other cool brands and people to make Tulat's jersey even more popular. Maybe with Nike, Adidas, Puma, or the mighty Apple company. Who knows? As we wrap up this adventure through Tulat jersey plan, remember, Tulat is not just a jersey, it's an anthem for being yourself. A fun and colorful style that invites you to join in and create your own story. With Tulat ever evolving jersey look, wear your journey.